Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial where I'll be showing you how to download mods for Minecraft Launcher. First things first, one of the things I recommend having is Minecraft itself, which I assume you already have, right? Now the first thing we need to do is make sure we have Java downloaded, okay? Java is a programming language and runtime environment that we need to download. We'll click on Download Java, alright? Then an executable file will appear. We'll click Save, and what we'll do next is run that executable, okay? We'll click Yes, and that's it. As you can see, I have Java installed here, and basically this will allow us to read .jar files. Got it? Now we'll see what those are. For that, we're going to head over to the Minecraft Forge website, okay? Basically, we're going to search for Minecraft Forge, and from there we can download it. Forge is essentially the software that will be running our Minecraft, okay? It's basically a modified version of Minecraft that allows you to use mods. On the main page you can see we can select different versions. In my case I'm going to select one, 20.1, because that's the version I have installed. However, mods are typically played on version 1, 16.5. 16.5 is usually the most common and stable version for mods, but feel free to experiment with other versions as you like. So what we're going to do is, we have the option to download either the latest version or the recommended version. I'm going to install the recommended one, so we'll click on the installer. This window will pop up, which we can skip, okay? And we'll click skip, save it, and this way we'll have access to Forge, alright? As you can see, Forge creates a file called forgeinstaller.jar, okay? This .jar file is basically what I mentioned earlier, the Java extension. You'll want to open it with Java, and this will start the installation process, alright? You're going to click on Install Client, and you'll end up with this folder. It would be a good idea to copy this folder, okay? So go ahead and use Ctrl+C to copy it, alright? Then we'll click OK. Now, if we go to what we've just copied, we'll see that inside the versions folder. I'm looking for it within the versions folder. We should now have Forge installed, okay? That's the case for me. So, what we're going to do next is open the Minecraft launcher. We'll wait for it to open. And great, we've got it open now, alright? Here's an important step. We need to go to the Installations tab and click on New Installation. If Forge hasn't been installed automatically, what we can do is search for the Forge version through here, okay? Actually, this advice isn't usually very helpful because it typically installs directly, but in case it doesn't, we should look for the Forge version here, okay? So I think if I search for it, it might not appear, right? Just in case you need to look for it. Oh, look, here it is. Release 1. 20.1 Forge, okay? If it doesn't show up, you can click here, alright? You select this version, put in whatever you want, enter the name, the game directory, and you can also set the game directory if you remember, okay? In the version section, you can select this folder, alright? Copy this address and paste it here. That's it, it will be the same. Basically, you click on create, and once you do that, you'll have access to Forge, as you can see, okay? So, from here in Forge, we can basically hit play and start playing, but how do we install the mods? Well, if you remember, we copied an address earlier, which is this one from here, okay? So, in Minecraft, we have this mods folder. This is where we'll be placing the mods for the version of Minecraft we want to play, alright? This is basically how we can play Minecraft with mods, by putting mods into this folder. But where can we actually install mods from? Well, we can install mods from curseforge.com, okay? On curseforge.com, let's take sodium as an example. We go to the files section, and there we'd normally select to install it with Forge, but in this case it's not available, alright? We should look for a mod that's available for Forge, okay? Here's sodium, we go to files, and now, well, it says all mod loaders, but it's actually not available, alright? But we would select Forge if it were available, okay? And there's Forge, see? Now we'd select the version we want to play. In this case, it's only available for 20.1, alright? This is because it's a mod with, I don't know, 12,000 downloads. It's not exactly a professional mod. Although it seems pretty good, it's true that as we start looking for more professional mods, we'll see they're available for older versions too, okay? So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.